Well, so hello guys, welcome back to the stream, another stream. So today we'll have a very interesting topic that we're going to talking about, which is fluorite, right? So like before getting a delay, let's start about the topic. And this is my second stream in a day, so the topic is very important. That's why I'm starting the live stream. So in this live stream, we're going to talk about the what is fluorite. Like everyone is talking on the internet, like fluorite. So what exactly fluorite is? Okay, so fluorite is basically a render engine that is just announced by Toyota. So Toyota what is Toyota Connected North America. Okay, so there is an engineer whose name is like you can like she yeah, Joel Vinsarke, who is a principal engineer at Toyota. Let me show you his profile. So here it is. Joel Vinsarke is a principal engineer at Toyota Connected. So what they have did is like what is fluorite? So, okay, so they have like created like just announces fluorite render game engine. Okay, so we already have a flame game engine. Let me show you. Okay, so flame is here, flame in Flutter. So first we start about the flame. Okay, so flame is basically a 2D game engine where we can create 2D games inside Flutter very seamlessly, very smoothly, because like how flame and Flutter makes it very like performance wise easier and smooth. That's because Flutter has hot reload and hot restart, so it makes the Flutter app and Flutter games very smooth to run and high performance. Basically Flutter, we already know that it's a perfect framework. So here's a flame. So what flame does is flame basically helps us to create 2D games engine, like 2D games using this flame engine. Okay, so just Toyota what announces is they have announced the fluoride game engine, which is like Flutter based. Yeah, you can like or see here the description. A game engine, Fluorite is the first console grade game engine fully integrated with Flutter. So whatever the logic, whatever the UI you are going to create, if it is officially announced or officially released, then you can directly code in Flutter, like in Dart programming language, and create the Fluorite 3D games. Okay, using this Fluorite. So what is this Fluorite? Just explore their like official website that they have created over here. So let us go through this. Okay, so as you can like already see many of the videos on the YouTube platform that are talking about the fluoride. So today we're gonna like explore this whole website and each and every concept that any doubt that it comes in your mind about fluoride, we're gonna create in this like clear in this video. Okay, so let me search about fluoride. So you can see over here like 2 days before, 20 hours ago, there are many of the videos that created on the Flutter fluoride game engine. So for that we are doing this live stream. So let's get started. Okay, so Flutter fluoride is a game engine. Okay, that I already mentioned. Okay, so fluoride is the first console game engine fully integrated with Flutter. It reduces complexity by allowing you to write code directly in Dart. What does it means? Okay, so it is basically a fluoride game engine that they have announced is in which you can directly code inside Dart programming language. You do not need to like write in third party language, or like in Unity you write code in C sharp. Okay, in Unreal game engine you write code in C++. Okay, C sharp. So in Fluoride you can directly write your code in Dart. Okay, so it is not officially released yet, but they have like just we can say announces their like engine, this fluoride game engine, where you can easily create 3D scenes, 3D games inside Flutter. Okay, so what is the main purpose of this? Okay, so here you can see the official their interview that they have given to the university, or you can say a live streamer, where they have talk about this like fluoride game engine. What is basically this is, so they have used multiple game engines whenever they're creating their stuff for automobile industries. They want to create a automotive panel, we can say cluster screens for like uh, cars and all. So what they have like identify is uh, using Unreal or Unity is like quite heavy. So for that they have choose Flutter. Flutter is quite optimized and easy to use, easily scalable, and for high performance, high efficient. Okay, so that's why they have used Flutter and created this Fluoride game engine.
Talk.
You can see the whole
Unfortunately,
interview over
I'm
here
not
where
able.
they have talked about each and everything that they have used in Fluoride. So they have covered here that they have used this Unreal Unity game engine, which is quite heavy and multiple require spinning game engine instances. So that's why they have moved to Flutter, because Flutter have the impeller render engine that is pixel perfect. So you can like directly see this interview I will mention the link in the description. Okay, so talking about the like second phase. Okay, so why they have used Flutter? Why they have used Flutter? Okay, so because of the high performance ECS code. So they have compared all the render engines, all the like game engines, and then they have like came to the, we can say, uh, answer that Flutter is like the choice for. So basically this game engine is already written in C++, and while we write the code in Dart, so it is like quite similar kind of syntax and high performance for easily writing code and like optimizing and developing the game engines. Okay, so here we can see the demo. So what they have done in this is they have created a model. They have created a model inside Blender. So Blender is already a 3D modeling software where you can like create models like car model or any kind of model or characteristic. So they have created a model inside Blender. Then they have like defined events. Okay, we can say they have marked the events like this, like circular for wheels, and then they have like they have like instantiate inside the Fluorite game engine, and then we can directly trigger this event using our Flutter code. Okay, using this on click event. Okay, so you can see the demo over here. Okay, now talking about the console grade 3D rendering. So they have used a filament. Okay, so Google have their own like 3D renderer, which is Google Filament. So they have used that inside this Fluorite for modern graphics API. Vulkan is there. Okay, so we already know about this render engine Vulkan. So it is quite for delivering stunning performance. Vulkan is there. So okay, so these are the things that they have comes up with in this Fluorite game engine. Now talking about hot reload we already know about in Flutter. So we can save the light changes in directly in our like screen. So here you can see side by side the code, the graphics, okay, the Dart code, and directly that is integrated inside Flutter Fluorite game engine. And much more are coming soon in the stage. And here is the Fluorite stone. We can say they have got the inspiration about this game engine. So here it is. And for more documentation you can directly go to their GitHub repository. The source code is not released as yet, but you can directly go to the Fluorite GitHub repository and you can see what the progress is going on. So they have committed some of the commits, so you can directly read and about like what exactly is Fluorite. Okay, so if I go to Fluorite game engine, so Fluorite, and if I do Fluorite Flutter, so you can just scroll down, and in this like in the second link there is a profile of the developer, or you can say founder. And inside the profile you can directly go to their GitHub repository where it is. I've just like seen it. If I show you, just give me a minute. Okay, okay, so uh, Fluorite game engine. Okay, so if I scroll down or find it out, so it is Fluorite. Okay, so we just need like I need to find it out where it is exactly on this point. If I click on the history, if I've seen, yeah, here it is. Okay, so here's the like Toyota connected repository North America, where they have all the repositories about their projects. So here is the main repository. You can see they are working on, okay, IVU home screen plugin. So they have created like cluster screens for like automobiles. So here they are working on like Fluorite and all the stuff. You can like direct, they haven't released the code, source code, but you can like most of the progresses that are that what they are actually doing, you can directly track it over here. So they have created separate repository for each of the projects. You can directly track it from here. Okay, so talking about some other stuff. So what is Fluorite? Okay, Fluorite. So we have like multiple game engines in outside the like market. We can say Unity, Unreal. Okay, So they what they have identified is fluoride is like directly based on Flutter, so it will provide definitely high performance. We can directly use the widgets. We have hot reload features, so that's why like for the performance and all, they have used this Fluorite game engine. And the developers who are think that Flutter is dead, now now they will like realize that no, Flutter is not dead. In 2026, learning Flutter is going to be a great career, we can say, in mobile application developer or game development. Okay, you can see the article is released on 13th to like in between 1st February and this February 2026 is going on. So yes, here is the information that they have released. You can directly like play this podcast and you can say like take insights about this like fluoride game engine. The speakers they are
No,
like
it's not gonna work.
is in the
Sorry.
With me.
native team like inside this like we can say fluoride behind this fluoride game engine. So they have talking about the features of fluoride. They have talking about why they have choose these. Okay, so there is a 25 minute, we can say 20 or 25 minutes the long form video where they have directly like talk about this fluoride as a whole, we can say, um, description manner. Okay, so yeah, so it is fluoride. Okay, so it is still in the development stage, and once it will like released, you can directly use it. And because it is on the development stage, so maybe some of the errors, or we can say
Any
some
other
bugs
tooling that comes with Flutter.
in the
Uh,
stage they are like fixing. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel for the latest update that whenever new stuff is released in Flutter framework or anywhere, you can directly learn it about like directly get the notification of the video from here. Okay, so this all about like Flutter. You can check out the articles that are published on X, we can say Twitter. You can read it over here, and much more stuff are like going to become in future for this fluoride game engine. So this is the live stream basically because I just want to like you guys to know about what exactly this console grade engine is. So Toyota announced open source. So all the articles are like based on this fluoride game engine. You can just like go to their official website and you can check out this like why they have choose Flutter for this. You can get the answer because uh, in fluoride you can say hot reload makes it very easier for game developers to like see the real time changes in the screen. Okay, so much more articles are going to be coming. Okay, so this is the first announcement from them, and much more things are going to become in future. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please press this like subscribe button so that whatever the stuff that is going to come, it will definitely going to help you. Okay, so that's all from like fluoride and from my side about this game engine. And if it is officially released, then definitely it is going to be a boom for Flutter developers who thinks that Flutter is dead. And thank you so much guys for watching this stream. We'll meet in the next stream. For that, please subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't like subscribed the channel, please subscribe for such latest updates on Flutter or on any of the new technology. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this stream. We'll meet in